In this video, I will show you how to make a phone call on your iPhone using one of the contacts you have saved on your iPhone. To call a number that is saved on your iPhone, you can use the phone app or you can use the contacts app. This is the contacts app here. You might have it in a different place, but I will use the phone app. So I have the phone app here ready to call, and I have also my Android phone ready to receive the call. And you find the contact you want to call. You can also do a search. Here you can type the name of the person or anything, a note that you have saved, for that person, and then you can tap on the contact details and it's calling. Here I have the recent calls, but I can also go to contacts or keypad. I will search for test under contacts, and this is the contact. I tap on this contact, and if I press here, it's gonna call that number. It's also really easy to call from the recent or the favorite. So here I have my favorites contacts list, and from here I can see information about the contact. This is the contact I want to call, and that's the call button. But you can also call by simply pressing on the name of the contact, like that. I'll show you from the recents also. It's the same thing, it works the same way. And you will see here, if you have multiple SIM, dual SIM, eSIM or physical SIM, you will see the label from which number you're calling. So I'll call now. And if the other side answers, now you can hear me now. Testing 1, 2, 3. And I can speak now. Now I'm talking and you hear me from the other phone. And now you hear me from the iPhone. And now, because they're close, you will hear this loud noise. To hang up the call, all you have to do is press the red. It's done. You can call again. The recent call is the easiest way to call. Usually someone calls you and you have a missed call and you want to call back. You press on the name and it's ringing. Okay. So now it's ringing and you can talk. Now you hear me from the other phone. Now you hear me from the other phone. Test 1, 2, 3. And now this is what you hear. Oh, this is on the iPhone. It could be that the other person hung up before you, so you made the call here. You can press the red button to hang up the call, but you can also, someone else could hang up. So when they hang up, you get this, like that. So the phone app goes back to the previous. View. You can also use the keypad, but the easiest way to call someone is using the saved contact, and especially one of the favorites contacts entries. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you make the phone calls you need.